all set to get 30,000 crore rupees boost with the new surface-to-air missile system expected to be cleared for acquisition by the Defence Ministry soon. The Defence Ministry is scheduled to take up the proposal for buying the 3 regiments of the indigenous quick reaction surface-to-air missile system for the Army Air Defence for deployment along both the western and the northern borders. The missile system developed by the Defence Research and Development Organization are highly mobile as they have the capacity and the capability to search and track targets on the move and fire at short halts, defence officials have said. While the missile system performing has been extensively evaluated under both day and night operational scenarios during the trials. All right, Arzu joins me with more updates on this. Indian Army has got 30,000 crore rupees as a very huge aid for the buying of the missile system, surface-to-air missile system that has been also evaluated and considered during both the operational hours to be placed as a big in fact benchmark for the defence system to achieve in the northern and the western borders. Arzu.
Well, yes, Simran, the Indian Army may soon get a new indigenous surface-to-air missile system. The development comes at a time when Indian air defense system, are making headlines for successfully bringing down the missile and drone attack launched by Pakistan in the aftermath of the Operation Sindoor. Also, the proposal, which would cost rupees 30,000 crore is scheduled to taken by the Ministry of Defence for buying 3 regiments of the homegrown quick reaction surface-to-air missile system QRSAM, and for development, deployment along with the both western and northern borders. Also, the meeting of the Defence Acquisition Council (DAC) is planned to be held around the 4th week of the June, and then the finalization will be done. Also, QRSAM, developed by the Defence Research and the Development Organization DRDO, is figured on highly mobile platforms and also is capable of providing air defense on the move. So definitely a quick reaction surface-to-air missile is a short-range air defense system developed to safeguard moving armed columns from aerial threats. So this will be very crucial with an operational range of approximately 30 kilometers. It complements existing system like the Akash and MRSAM in the short to medium range category. It is equipped with the capabilities of surveillance and tracking while on the move and can engage target during brief hold. So we can understand its significance and how important it is, which would cost 30 crore. So a big development, a significant boost to the defense system once again. And we have seen how successfully the Indian Army has bring down the missiles and other drone attacks which were done by the Pakistan, and now this will also
all right, Arzu, thank you very much for the latest inputs that you're sharing with us on the telecast. Now viewers, on that note, with more news and updates on the other side, let's slip into a short break.